Hey, Patrick, have you seen Plankton lately? I haven't seen him in days.
No, dude, I haven't seen that little twerp since last week, probably. Off blooding something stupid as usual.
Oh, no! What if he's in trouble? We should go look for him.
Fine, but if we get stuck in some dumb trap of his again, I'm blaming you.
Welcome, my loyal followers. You've found me just in time for our ritual.
Plankton, what the hell are you doing? Why are all these people acting so weird?
They are my devoted acolytes. I've created a cult that worships the almighty stroke.
Dude, that's messed up. And why do you keep saying stroke? That's fucking weird.
Silence, you dare question the great Plankton. Now let us begin the ceremony.